Today, I'm going to show you how to add menu button on Wix website. So here, go ahead and go for editor. And once you're on editor mode, go ahead and go to add elements. Once you're here, go on decorative. Then go on basic shapes. And down below, you can see more basic shapes for more options. So go ahead and click on it. Then here we have a search bar. Go ahead and search for menu. Then select your preferred design. Then once you selected your design, go ahead and click on add to page. Then reposition it to your preferred style. And once you reposition it, you can have options here to add the link, the animation, design, and the settings. If this video was helpful, click like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.